What do you know about your mother tongue? Mother tongue is the most beautiful way to communicate. Can you imagine a community which is constantly neglecting its language by using other languages, whereas both the speaker and listener find it difficult to speak fluently? Punjab is the land of people having their own language known as Punjabi. Punjabi has more than 125 million native speakers in the Indian subcontinent and around the world. More than 80,574,958 people in Pakistan are Punjabi speaker. Have you ever noticed that which language is being taught to the Punjabi children in schools? Urdu and English. But why not Punjabi? How many news channels, radio stations, newspapers and magazines in Pakistan are using Punjabi language? Only a few. So what is the reason behind it? If parents are avoiding to speak Punjabi with their own children, then in fact they are depriving their children from treasure. Why will Punjabi be taught in schools, if the speakers don't raise their voice? If you want to save your own language from hurdles and challenges, and if you want learning children in their own language in schools, then you have to raise your voice. The 21st of February is Mother Tongue Day. Let's join to raise your voice. Charing Cross Mall Road, Lahore at 11 a.m. on the 21st of February. Save your mother tongue. Contact 0334 422 9371.